Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to change the speed of a video on CapCut browser. So all you need to do first of all, just go and open your browser, then type CapCut.com and hit the enter button. Once you did that, if it's your first time, you will not find yourself into this page. You'll find yourself at another page. At the right of that page, you'll find an option to download it on your PC. Of course, if you want to download it on your PC, just go and check one of our videos in this channel. It will show you or provide you with the steps on how to download it or install it on your PC. On the left side, you'll find an option to start using it on a browser. I mean the CapCut, of course. And of course, when you click on it, you'll need to log into your account. And if you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. You can even create your account with a Google account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating your account. So once you actually log into your account, you'll find this as your home or your main screen, and from here you can open some of your recent projects if you have some, or you can just go and click at black canvas like I'm going to do right now, and you will need to wait a bit until it loads. Of course, if you have the CapCut on your PC, you will not need to wait anything. It will be much smoother, much faster, and has the full options, not like in browser like here. So of course, if you want to change the speed of a video, you would like to drop a file or drop a video or upload a video here, and once it's actually uploaded, I'm just going to drag it here to the editing area. And of course, you will need to select it because the video might not be selected. So how to select it? Just click on it once to appear this at the top right, and of course from here I'm just going to click at the speed option. And now, as you can see, I can change the speed of video. I can make it like faster, I can make it slower, and as you can see, when I make it slower, it expand the duration, which is 4 seconds to 8 seconds, and if I make it faster, the duration now is 2 seconds. So if you play it, you'll see the difference. So this is actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.